Do you have a leak, warm floor, or a mysteriously high water bill? In this quick video, we'll go over leak detection, how much it is, and how it works. If you suspect you have a leak or have a high water bill and want to confirm a leak is present, you can simply read your water meter, which will tell you if a continuous leak is present. Before locating your meter, confirm that no water use is occurring inside the home. Most water meters are located near the curb or sidewalk at the front of the property in a concrete or plastic box. In some neighborhoods, the water meter can be located in the alley behind the home. Remove the lid using a long screwdriver, and be cautious, as some insects and small animals occasionally take residence inside the boxes. You'll notice your water meter will either be an analog or a digital display. For digital meters, observe the flow rate screen. If you see the numbers climbing, you have a continuous leak. For analog meters, observe the dial. If it is moving, you have a continuous leak. Analog meters can vary between households. Yours may look like this. Now that you have confirmed a leak is present, you can call a leak detector to help you pinpoint, or you can move on to isolating which portion of your water system the leak is in. If you have a pool, you'll want to turn off the water supply that runs to your pool filler. With the pool valve off, you can now go check your water meter to see if it registers use. If the dial or digital display has stopped moving, that means you know your leak is in your pool filler line. But if the meter still registers use, that means your leak is elsewhere. Let's move on to irrigation. Irrigation shutoff and pool shutoffs will often have similar looking shutoff valves. Here are a few examples of what your shutoff valves may look like. The most common irrigation shutoff valve will look like this. Let's go ahead and shut it off. Head back to your water meter. Did the dial or digital display stop? If so, then your leak exists within the irrigation. But if it still registers use, then your leak is elsewhere. Next, we'll check the main water service. This is the water line which runs from your water meter to your house shutoff valve. Locate your house main shutoff valve and turn it off. Your valve may have a circular handle or a lever handle. For circular handles, rotate clockwise to shut them off. For lever handles, it's just a quarter turn. With the house main off, you'll again observe the water meter for use. Did the meter stop? This means your leak exists inside the house somewhere. If the meter is still moving, this means your leak is between the water meter and the house shutoff valve. Now that you've isolated which section of your water system the leak is in, you can count on us to pinpoint. We do this by using specialized leak equipment and technology that helps us determine where your water line runs and exactly where the leak exists. Whether it's inside or outside the home, we can find it. When it comes to leak detection costs, the price can vary between properties, but most of the time, leak detection is right around $375. If you have questions or if you'd like to discuss your situation, reach out anytime. We're always happy to help, and we hope to serve you soon.